Monday marked the sixth birthday of Haleigh Cummings, I should say, the Florida girl who disappeared from her father's home without a trace back in February. But police say the father's new wife could hold the key to solving this mystery.
Somebody has her and they have her hid. I just want my daughter back, that's it.
6 months ago, Ronald Cummings pleaded for the person who took his little girl to bring her back home. Police and volunteers launched a major search effort to find Haleigh Cummings, who disappeared from their Satsuma, Florida mobile home in the middle of the night. Her father's girlfriend, Misty Croslin, whom he since married, was babysitting Haleigh at the time. She told the early show she discovered the girl was missing when she woke up at 3:30 a.m.
I tried to call Ronald and he didn't answer, and I walked out on the front porch and he pulled up and I told him, and I was just freaking out.
But this week, the Putnam County Sheriff's Office said that Misty's story doesn't add up. The 17-year-old has failed to provide a detailed account of that night, and physical evidence at the scene contradicts what she told police. Investigators say the search for Haleigh is ongoing, and they are still hoping to find her alive. Joining us now from Orlando for an exclusive interview is Teresa Nevis, Haleigh's grandmother, and her attorney, Mark NeJame. Good morning to both of you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Teresa, let me begin with you. What's the latest you've been told about where police stand on this investigation?
My son has been cleared, and they are looking into the details of Misty's account.
Can we talk about Misty's account? What have you not heard from Misty so far that you'd like to hear?
I don't know. I don't know that there's anything I haven't heard. I don't know what they've heard, you know. So it's hard for me to say.
I know this is tough, but police have said that they don't believe Misty has been fully honest or fully accountable with them about what happened in those 4 or 5 hours. Is that the case as far as you know?
As I understand, if you're asking me what they believe, that's my understanding of what they believe, yes.
Mark, let me move to you for a moment if I could. We spoke with an investigator working in the case who said that Misty's story couldn't be corroborated with physical evidence found at the scene. What kind of physical evidence are they talking about?
Well, I think generally there's a 5-hour gap, which you alluded to, from about 10 p.m. to 3 a.m. And they're simply indicating that the story, the version that she gave, isn't lining up, that there are certain areas that still remain with a large question mark hovering over them. So I think that that's the focus of their investigation. We've been brought on to assist with that by bringing renewed attention to the situation because there are unanswered questions. And I think that the police are quite appropriate in following through and trying to piece together this puzzle. What happened during that 5 hours and where is Haleigh?
Teresa, as Haleigh's grandmother, do you believe Misty had anything to do with Haleigh's disappearance?
I do not. I hope she did not. I think that, as Mark said, we'll just have her hopefully clear some things up and know what's going on.
Monday marked the 6-month anniversary of Haleigh's disappearance. Teresa, do you still believe she's alive?
I do. I believe God will bring her home. I believe without faith and hope that you don't have anything to cling to.
Okay, Teresa Nevis and Mark NeJame, Haleigh's grandmother and Teresa's attorney, we appreciate your time. Thanks for joining us this morning.